Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Quick question, have you ever finished dinner, looked at the clock, and thought, wait, I literally just ate lunch 4 hours ago, why am I already hungry again? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of us are stuck in this constant eating cycle, and it's quietly messing with our energy, our waistline, and even how fast we're aging. Today we're finally pulling back the curtain on one of the most talked about health trends of the last decade, intermittent fasting. I'm going to show you what it really does inside your body, the myths that are holding people back, and, most importantly, how to do it in a way that actually feels easy and sustainable. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether it is right for you and how to start tomorrow without feeling deprived. Let's dive in. Here's the stat that stopped me in my tracks. Researchers at Johns Hopkins found that the average American eats over a 15-hour window every single day, from the morning coffee with cream and sugar to the late-night Netflix snack. That means for most of us, our body is digesting food for 15+ hours and only gets about 9 hours, mostly while we're asleep, to rest, repair, and burn fat. No wonder so many of us feel sluggish and can't lose the stubborn weight no matter how healthy we eat. But what happens when you flip that script? Keep watching, because the truth is wilder than the Instagram influencers want you to believe. First things first, intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, it's about when you eat. Think of it like giving your body scheduled work hours and vacation hours. The most popular method is 16/8. You fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, for example, noon to 8 p.m. Why does this matter? When you go 12+ hours without food, something called autophagy kicks in. That's your body's built-in recycling system. It starts cleaning out damaged cells and junk proteins. Scientists call it cellular housekeeping, and it's one of the reasons fasting has been linked to longer lifespan in every animal study ever done. Here's the simple science: after about 10 to 12 hours without food, your insulin levels drop dramatically. Low insulin tells your body, hey, there's no new sugar coming in, go ahead and burn stored fat for fuel. That metabolic switch is why so many people report finally losing belly fat that wouldn't budge before, even when they're eating the same foods. Real-life example. My friend Sarah used to eat 6 small meals a day because that's what all the fitness magazines told her to do. She switched to 16/8, kept her calories almost identical, and dropped 18 pounds in 4 months without ever feeling starving. The difference? Her body finally got long enough breaks to tap into fat stores. A lot of people worry they'll be hangry all day. The surprising truth? After about 2 to 4 weeks, the opposite usually happens. Studies from the New England Journal of Medicine show that intermittent fasting lowers levels of ghrelin, the I'm starving hormone, and increases leptin sensitivity so you actually feel full sooner. Practical tip to make the transition smooth: start by pushing breakfast a little later each day. If you normally eat at 7 a.m., try 8 a.m. tomorrow, 9 a.m. the next day, and keep nudging until you're comfortably eating at noon. Black coffee, tea, and water are your best friends during the fasting window. They keep you full and don't break the fast. The benefits go way beyond weight loss. Improved insulin sensitivity, huge for preventing type 2 diabetes, lower inflammation, better brain focus because of something called BDNF, and even heart health markers that rival some medications. One 2022 review in the journal Cell Metabolism found regular intermittent fasters had a 20 to 30% improvement in markers of aging. That's not anti-aging cream, that's free, built into your biology. Quick reality check: if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, under 18, have a history of eating disorders, or are underweight, intermittent fasting is not recommended. Always talk to your doctor first. For the rest of us, starting slow and listening to your body is key. Okay, I want to hear from you right now. Drop a comment and tell me, what's your current eating window like? Do you stop eating at 7 p.m. and start again at 7 a.m., or are you more like most people grazing from sunrise to midnight? And if you've tried intermittent fasting before, what was the hardest part for you? Let's help each other out in the comments. I read every single one. While you're down there, hit that thumbs up if you're learning something new today, and if you want more no BS health advice that actually works in real life, tap subscribe and the bell so you never miss a video. So here's the truth about intermittent fasting: it's not magic, it's not a quick fix, and it's definitely not about starving yourself. It's simply giving your body the breaks it was designed to have, so it can heal, burn fat, and give you steady energy instead of the 2 p.m. crash. Start small, be consistent, and you might be shocked at how much better you feel in just a couple of weeks. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with someone who's been curious about fasting, and subscribe for new science-backed health videos every single week. Next week we're diving into the one morning habit that can completely change your metabolism. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss it. Thanks for watching, take care of that amazing body you've got, and I'll see you in the next one.